Welcome to our segment on homosexuality and genetics. Today with us we have 4 scientists who have done extensive research on how sexuality relates to genetic makeup. Doctors, please introduce yourself.
Hello viewers, I'm Dr. Nayak.
I'm Dr. Hawk.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shaw.
Hey, I'm Dr. Ellie.
And today our discussion is about the link between genetics and homosexuality.
In academia, scientists have made theories about homosexuality being linked to your genetic makeup, the way you were raised, and your hormones and brain functions.
One theory linked to homosexuality are epimarks. Epimarks are extra layers of information that control certain genes and what they express. These epimarks are usually but not always erased between generations.
So, if the epimarks on you raised, are they passed from parent to offspring?
Yes, as shown in this diagram, epimarks are transferred from father to daughter and mother to son. As you can see on the diagram, the epimark is transferred from the sperm to the daughter cell and also from the egg to the son.
We know from many twin and adoption studies that sexual preference has a genetic component. A gay man is more likely than a straight man to have a biological gay brother. Lesbians are more likely than straight women to have gay sisters. In 1993, a study published in the journal Science showed that families with 2 homosexual brothers were very likely to have certain genetic markers on a region of X chromosomes.
Epimarks also protect mothers and fathers from excess or underexposure to testosterone. This will cause a male to be more feminine and a female to be more masculine.
Another theory is the hypothalamus being related to homosexuality. Researchers have found that the hypothalamus, which is involved in sexual behavior and hormones excretion, tend to be smaller in gay men and women.
So, how is the theory tested?
That's a great question, Dr. Lee. This theory was tested by a group of scientists using the MRI to compare the symmetry of the brains of 25 straight men and 25 straight women with those of 20 gay men and 20 gay women. Afterwards, the scientists used the PET scans to examine a part of the brain involved in processing emotions. The amygdala was connected to other brain regions. Sitting next to me here is Dr. Hawk, who was one of the scientists working with the MRI and the PET experiment.
Okay, so in our experiment, we found that gay men tended to be more similar to straight women with a stronger link between the amygdala and regions involved in emotions. Gay women tend to be more like straight men with stronger connections to motor functions. The researchers who conducted the new study previously reported that the brains of gay and straight men seem to react differently to suspected pheromones, which are odors thought to be involved in sexual arousal.
So, Dr. Hawk, what does that mean?
Well, while other researchers agreed, some said that the findings about the amygdala could help explain why gay men tend to respond to emotional situations more like women and gay women more like men, and could even play a role in their sexual orientation.
Does that have anything to do with their hormones?
Well, many researchers suspect that changes may be the result of levels of hormones such as testosterone that fetuses are exposed to in the womb. Instead, as an embryo develops, sex-related genes are turned on and off in response to fluctuating levels of hormones in the womb, produced by both mother and child.
After the research that has been conducted, we believe that further research and experiments should be conducted before we can determine the stance on this final controversial topic.
Thank you, doctors, for your time and for sharing your research on this topic with us. Although there are a lot of theories that are based on experiments, nothing has been 100% proven. Only future research can tell.